Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add admin on Facebook page in 2025, and it will be a quickest and best way. So you can see this is our page and you can see manage page option. So you just need to go to the setting. Once you come over here, then you just need to be scroll down and find it out the options like call page setup. Just click over here and then you will get to see the page access. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you can give the manage or view access people with Facebook access admin. This is the admin access. So you just need to click over here, add menu, then click one and then find it out which people you want to add as your admin. So let's search for my friend name. I want to give him the admin access here in my page, so I will give that one, and this one will be my friend name, and allow this person to have full control. Anyone with full control can give to others, remove anyone from the page including you, or delete the page. So I will click on give access and then provide the password, and once I provide the password, then I will actually give him the access, and once he will get the invitation, he just need to be accepted and he will become the admin of this page. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. This is the best way to add admin in any Facebook page. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic. And if you have any question related to this video, you can ask me on the comment box. I will happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.